Good morning, students. How are you? Hope all of you are safe at home. So let us start our exercise. Students, in the previous class, in the last class, we completed up to question number C. C part of question 2. Today we will start from D part. D part is 81 multiplied 3n is equal 3 power 5. So see here, 81 multiplied 3 power n is equal 3 power 5. Now this 81 we can write 3 power 4. If we factorize this 81, we get 3 4 times like this. All of you are familiar like this. If we start it by 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 7 ja 21, 3 9 ja 27, 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja 3. So we get 3 this 4 times. So this 81 can be written as 3 power 4 multiplied 3 power n is equal 3 power 5. Now both these bases are same. Using this rule, we can write this 3 power 4 plus n is equal 3 power 5. Now both sides, bases of both sides are same. So exponents are equal. 4 plus n is equal this 5. Then n is equal 5 minus 4. N is equal 1. Next part. Part E. CE part. 7 power 2n is equal 49 multiply 7 power n. This 7 power 2n is equal, this 49 can be written as 7 power 2 into 7 power n. So 7 power 2n is equal, using this rule, we can write it 7 power 2 plus n. Bases of both the sides are equal, so exponent will be equal. So we can write now 2n is equal this 2 plus n. Now shift this plus n to this side. 2n, this plus n will change to minus n is equal to 2n minus n is equal 2. Next part. F. F is 5 power 3n is equal 125 multiply 5 power n. So again it is just like D part. 5 power 3n is equal 125 can be written as 5 power 3. If we factorize this 125 by 5, we get 5 power 3 multiply 5 power n. 5 power 3n is equal. Again these two bases are same, so powers will be added. We can write it 5 power 3 plus n. Again we will write rule in front of it, opposite it. Then bases of both the sides are equal, so exponent should be equal. 3n is equal 3 plus n. 3n plus n will be shifted to this side, minus n is equal 3. 3n minus n, 2n equal 3. Then n is equal this 3 upon this 2. Same method is followed in all these three sums. Next part, G part. 8 power n plus, not multiply, 8 power n plus 1 is equal 72. So 8 power n plus 8 power n multiply 8 power 1. This 8 power n plus 1 we can write 8 power n multiply 8 power 1. If we use here the product law, we can write these two bases are same, so we can write it 8 power n plus 1. So we have written it separately. Equal 72 can be written again 8 multiply 9, 8 9 is 72. Now take 8 power n as common. So when we take common 8 power n here what will be quotient? 1 8 power n divided by this 8 power n, like this. See, 8 power n upon 8 power n plus 8 power n multiply 8 power 1 upon 8 power n. When we take common means we will divide these two terms by the same term. So we take 8 power n common because this 8 power n in first term and second term both. So 8 power n is common. when we divide this 8 power n upon 8 power n, cancel, we get 1. So it is 1 plus 8 power n cancel, we get 8 power 1 is equal 8 multiply 9. Now this 8 power n multiply 1 plus 8, 9. 8 power 1 means 8. 9 is equal 8 multiply 9. Now this 8 power n is equal 8 multiply n upon this n. 9 1 ja 9, 9 1 ja 9. So 8 power n is equal 8 power 1. Again both bases are same. In both the sides bases are same. So power should be equal. N is equal 1. Next part, h. Same as we did this part. 9 power n plus 1 minus 2 multiply 9 power n is equal 7. 9 power n multiply n 9 power 1. We will write it separately. Minus 2 multiply 9 power n is equal 7. Again c. 9 power n, 9 power n. This is same in both the terms, so we will take it common. 9 power n is common. What is left here? 9 power 1 minus this 2 is equal 7. 9 power n, 9 power 1 means 9. 9 minus 2, 7 equal 7. Then this 9 power n is equal 7 upon this 7. 7 1 ja 7, 7 1 ja 7. So 9 power n is equal 1. Now 9 power n is equal 1 can be written as 9 power 0. As we know, a power 0 is equal 1. When power is 0, base may be whatever, no matter. But if power is 0, then value is 1. So we can write this 1 as 9 power 0 because we need base 9. Now both the bases are same. So value of n is equal 0. Next and last part of this question, 2i. 4 upon 9 whole power 3 divided by 4 upon 9 whole power 2 equal 2 upon 3 power n. Now see here, these two bases are same and between these two terms there is division sign. So we will use this rule, a power m divided by a power n is equal a power m minus n. So we can write 4 upon 9 power 3 minus 2 equal 2 upon 3 power n. Now 4 upon 9 power 1 is equal 2 upon 3 power n. Now this 4 can be written as 2 power 2, 9 can be written as 3 power 2. Then whole power, this 1 is equal 2 upon 3 power n. This 2 power 2 upon 3 power 2 can be written as 2 upon 3 whole power 2 because both the powers are same. Then this whole power 1 is equal 2 upon 3 power n. 2 upon 3 whole power, this 2 multiply 1 is equal 2 upon 3n. Here we will write the rule. Which rule we have applied here? A upon b power m then whole power n is equal a upon b power mn. So 2 upon 3 multiplied by 2 power 1 is equal 2 upon 3 power n. 2 upon 3, 2 1 ja 2 equal 2 upon 3 power n. Again both the bases are same. So value of n is equal 2. Exponent will be equal. This exercise is finished now. One more exercise left in this chapter, that is 4c. We will do now 4c. I am starting.